Welcome to Methods. Write reusable code blocks. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Imagine rewriting the same calculation logic every time you need it in different parts of your program. How do we reuse code without rewriting? Repeating code is inefficient. Changes require updating many places. Code becomes long and messy. Methods let you write code once and reuse it anywhere, keeping your program organized. How is methods used in the real world? Data validation. Check user input for errors. Math operations. Calculate values like area. File handling. Read or write data to files. Methods powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without methods? Repeating the same calculation logic in multiple places. Look at how messy the code gets. Duplicate code everywhere. Hard to fix bugs globally. Cannot reuse logic. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Methods. Look how clean the code is now. Reusable code blocks. Reduces duplication. Easy to test and debug. Compare the difference. And that is why we use methods. Let's see how to implement methods in code. Here is the implementation. Method declaration. Define add method. Perform calculation. Add two numbers. Return result. Send back value. Create object. Instantiate calculator. Call method. Invoke add with values. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is a method in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is, a method is a reusable block of code for a specific task. What is the return type if a method returns nothing? Which one is correct? The correct answer is, void indicates the method does not return any value. What is printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is, method returns sum of 5 and 3, which is 8. What is method overloading? Which one is correct? The correct answer is, overloading. Same method name, different parameter lists. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.